Welcome back to our another video series of SAP Enterprise Content Management ECM by OpenText solution. In the last session, we talked about the use case number 6, HR use case, HRBP, how he or she will be able to review the document. We have seen that. And in today's sessions, we will be talking about the next use case of HRBP. How as an HRBP you can approve a particular document, okay, which has been uploaded by your employees, and how to see that we will be discussing that part. Okay, so this is a use case number 7. Okay, so that is something which will be seeing in action, HRBP document approval, right? So now let's go to the system as an HRBP, how we can see those document approval, and you can do that. So what I will do, I will be logging as a HRBP like just like this, and I will be adding my user ID and login ID and password. I will submit it, and you can see there are a few to-do items in you have to take care of it if you have seen in this, right? And there is something called approval. Okay, so this is an approval is pending. Okay, if anything such like that, you will be finding here. Okay, so I will see, click here, or you can also see in the navigate to the task section. Okay, what you need to do, so simply go there. Okay, in your OpenText homepage, and from there also you will be finding what kind of tasks you are having with a click, and you can go there, and there is an arrow like this which you can further maximize to see your screen, right? And like this. Okay, so now you will be seeing, if you scroll a bit and towards right hand side, you will be seeing there is an option called upload options. Okay, in this page you will be able to see all kind of options. You'll be having filter option, ticket information, thumbnail of a document, what needs to be approved. So you see that the Pauline, in the previous examples we have seen Pauline has uploaded her uploaded document in the lower right corner, and if you like to, okay, so approve that, you will be finding here, right? So these are the different documents has been upload document request. Okay, so you'll be seeing in that section that people have uploaded, but it has not been approved. Okay, so in your HRBP, you can see and you can review those documents right away. Okay, so after seeing, after scrolling it down in this section for every document, if you see here, so the Pauline has uploaded the social insurance identification number, and it is the workspace, and for that it came through the ESS channel or employees self-service channel, and you can say approve, deny, or forward. All the three options are here. So as an HRBP, we can choose any of these options. Okay, so if you want to approve, select approve button here, and before I approve the task, you have to enter a date and comment section. So provide accurate details. Okay. So whenever you are getting any kind of doing any kind of approval, you will be finding all these things. Okay. Document type, date of origin, comment section. So then only you will be able to approve it. Okay. So after doing that, just to enter your date and enter the comment section, right? Then after that, okay, enter your particular date here like this. Then simply go and approve it. Okay, so you can see, if you like to see and expand the header, you can do that as well. And so if you want to see, okay, whether it is happening based rightly or not, you can have a look into that as well. Okay, go to OpenText homepage, and back on homepage, search for that employee. Again, go to the our employee workspace directly from this OpenText employee workspace for that employee. Now you go to dossier view here and go to the latest documents, group them by date, creation date. Now you can see this is the document you can identify that you have just approved it, isn't it? So you can see this is a social insurance specific number. So I cannot read it, it's German. So looks correct, and you can now close the window. Okay, so this is a process you have to follow as an HRBP if you want to approve certain things. in SuccessFactors. In your typical document approval, it will happen like this. Okay, so this was the use case which we are focusing. Okay, so now in the next sessions we will be going for the next use case, as the document approval via SuccessFactors. Okay, so stay tuned and you keep on watching in my videos in my series, and if anything is missed out, you will be able to see them here. Okay, then also, if you want to go for a consulting side of it, or if you want to learn more about the implementation side of it, you can always go and subscribe any kind of any type of membership which is relevant for you, the 3 month, 6 month, or 1 year plan, and accordingly you can also learn the technical side of it. So that's it. Okay, so now we'll stop here. Thanks for joining in and watching my videos. Okay, and if you have any question, you can always put in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much for joining in. So we'll stop here. Looking forward in the next session.